Hi everyone, welcome to day 11 of 20 days basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to explore the concept of array iteration. Iterating over an array allows us to access and process each element individually, enabling us to perform various operations on the array's contents. One common task is filtering even number from an array, which we focus on this video. Let's dive into the code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I write a script tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript functionality. So first we define an array. So here I write let numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Next I apply a for loop on this array and get a even number from this array. So for that I use a for, and here I create a variable like I is equal to 0, and then I iterate a loop according to the length of array. So here I number dot length, and next I increment this value, and in this array I check if the number is even, then show to the user. So for that I choose if, and here I write number I divisible. I use a modulus operator. Modulus operator give a reminder of the value. So if a number is divisible by 2 and get a reminder 0, then show in a console.log number I. So here I don't use this static, I use a curly brackets, and in this I use this. Okay. So what happened in this code? So here I use a for loop on this array, and then I check if our value is divisible by 2 and get answer 0, mean reminder 0, then show the value in a console. Otherwise, don't show value. So I go to a browser, and here you can see I reload the page, and you can see I get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and this value is a even value. So in a VS Code you can see in array I have a 1, but 1 is not even number. So due to this reason I cannot get here 1, and like that 3 is not even, 5 is not even, and 7 is not even, and 9 is not even, and I cannot get these number in the console. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned how to iterate over an array and print only the even number in JavaScript. Array iteration is a powerful concept that enables us to manipulate array data effectively. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.